Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to start one more concept that is event handling. So this is your module number 5. Okay. First, we have to understand what is that event. Assume there is a one submit button. Now I'll click on the submit button. Okay. Once you click on the submit button, it will take a transition from this state towards some other state. That changing of state will call that one as what event. If you click on that submit button, it will change the state from submit towards some other state. So that changing of state will call that one as what event. So if you click on that submit, some event has occurred. Okay, this is the meaning of what event. Okay, now so next we have to understand what is that event handling. Okay, now I click on the submit button, some event has occurred. Okay, now there should be some mechanism that should decide what should happen, what next after the event has occurred. That mechanism is called as what event handling. Now I'll click on this submit button, some event has occurred. Okay, so next there should be some mechanism that should decide what should happen if event has occurred. That mechanism is called as what event handling. Okay, and for event handling there are some standards, and that standards will be set by one model, and that model is called as what event delegation model or delegation event model. Okay, for event handling there are some standards, and that standards are set by one model, and that model is called as what delegation event model. So what is this delegation event model? In delegation event model there are two components are important. One is source, one more is what listener. Okay, so what is that source? Source we have so many source are what event generators. Okay, this are source are what event generators. There we have so many sources like button, checkbox, list, menu item, choice, scroll bar. I think people are familiar with this one. I think you use this button in your Gmail, checkbox while entering some data, while filling what some of files for registration in online. Okay, checkbox male or female. You'll check what something list. If there are so many content, there will be what a list out of the there will be so many options. You're going to select what anyone like, so scroll bar. Okay, so this will going to generate what some events. Okay, and that event will be sent to what event listener. What are these event listeners? Event listeners are what uh, they will going to handle what events. Okay, so this event listeners are what interfaces. So what are what interfaces? Interfaces are just like what class, but abstract classes, so without any definition. So within the interfaces you're going to have so many method declaration but no definition. So that definition you should define within what your class. Okay, so we will going to establish link between source and what event listener. For that you need to register to what source. This event listener should register with what this particular source. Then only if the event occurs, suppose if I press a button some event has occurred, then corresponding listener will be activated only when if it is what registered. How to register? This is a syntax: add type listener. Okay, add type listener. So one of the type listener is what key listener. When this key listener will be activated when some key events has occurred. When the key events will going to occur, suppose if I type something, suppose if I type some name. Okay, events will be what key event will be generated. That key event will going to activate what key listener if it is what registered. How to register? Add the name is what key listener. Okay, add key listener. Okay, so this is with respect to delegation event model. So I'll repeat what one more time. What is an event? If there is any event means changing of what state. If there is submit button, if I click a submit button, it will going to change the state from submit towards some other state. That one is called as what an event. Or once I click on submit button, some event has occurred. Okay, what is the event handling? Event handling, once event has occurred, what next we are supposed to do? That mechanism is called as what event handling. After event has occurred, what next we are supposed to do? That that mechanism is called as what event handling. We will going to set standard for that mechanism. That standards for event handling mechanism is set by what on model, and that model is called as what delegation event model. In delegation event model there are two components are important. One is source, one more is what listener. What are the different sources? So these are the different sources, and what these sources will do, that will generate what events, and that will be sent to what a listener. What are these listeners? Listeners are what event handlers. Okay, and there are what interfaces. There will be only method declaration, no definition. That should be defined within what your class. Okay, we will going to establish link between these two. That will be established by what registration. How to register? Using this syntax. What is that syntax? Add type listener. One of the example is what? Key listener. So you have to write add key listener. Now whenever there's an event occurred, so what is that event? Key event. So how this event will be occurred? Suppose if we type and if we pressed, at that time key events will be occurred. So if it is registered, the corresponding key listener will be what? Activated. Okay, yeah, this is with respect to what? Delegation event model. I will continue next topic with next video. Thank you. So first you copy what write as main heading event handling. Next you write definition for what is an event. Okay, so next you write what is event handling, and just copy this one. And the next you write delegation event model, side heading delegation event model, and you copy this one. If you want to even copy this one, delegation event model, source, and event listen, this one, delegation model, this particular diagrams. Okay, even you copy what this one, this particular delegation event model, source, and what event listener. Okay, yeah, thank you.